Today in this video I show you how to create and share YouTube clips on mobile. For this you have to open YouTube and then open the video in which you will find clip icon. Now you have to click on clip icon and then take this to the part that you want to clip. Now select the starting and then select the end point. Now to share or save this clip, you have to add title and then click on share clip. Now you can send this clip by using WhatsApp, Facebook or any other social media platform. You can see if I go back and open my YouTube profile, swipe up, click on your clips. I will find all the clips I created like this. If I click on three dots, I can share or delete the clips. So this is how you can create and share YouTube clips on mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.